Hello everyone, I woke up today and saw that the channel has now hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys for for subscribing and helping me to make it there. And since it is a 100 subscriber celebration and everything, and we're talking about milestones here, as you can see I'm right out here at the jog trail. I think it was 3.72 or 3.17, whichever it was. I'm going to be showing the number. So I'll be sharing that video out here about that milestone that I've accomplished. See you guys over in the other video. Hello guys, this is me here after I've completed this jog trail, and I have now done it. How much was the time again? The last time it was 23 minutes and 45 seconds. Now this time it is 22 minutes and 38 seconds, I think it was here. So this time it's 22 minutes and 38 seconds, a whole lot less. And this is me on the walk back, and in the background that is right there is doing a little fast walk and see mom is able to catch up. And this is pretty much enough the video, and I'll see you guys soon. So now that you guys have seen that milestone that I've shared from when I was on that jog trail, here is something else very special that I wanted to show you guys. It's the 100 subscriber milestone that I have downloaded from TubeBuddy, and it's now featuring a trophy instead of a medal. And this thing here that you're looking at is made of cardboard, and I made a little custom plaque right here to add to the specialty of this and to show just exactly how special it is. Here is a previous milestone that I've downloaded. As you can see, this is just a medal, and this one that I've now made and put inside the plaque, this one is a trophy. So having reached this milestone, I really gotta thank you guys for liking the videos, watching them, and of course subscribing. And please stay tuned for some more contents. And if you're new to my channel, this channel is about vlogs, and sometimes you'll be seeing stuff like fishing and some other exciting adventures. Now this is pretty much the end of the video. I think I said like, share and subscribe already. Anyways, I didn't say notification, so hit that notification bell as well, and I'll see you guys in another one. Goodbye.